If you want to log out of AnyDesk, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're switching accounts, using a shared computer, or just want to sign out for security reasons, logging out only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open the AnyDesk application on your computer. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the Hamburger menu, which is the icon with 4 horizontal lines. This menu gives you access to the main options and settings inside AnyDesk. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the settings panel where you can manage your account, connection preferences, and other application options. Now, on the left side of the settings screen, scroll down until you find the My Account section. Click on My Account to view your account details and login status. Inside that section, you should see the Logout option. Simply click Logout and AnyDesk will sign you out of the current account. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully logged out of AnyDesk. If you are trying to switch to a different account, you can now sign in again with the new details you want to use. If this video was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.